The Meatpacking District is one of New York City's most trendiest neighborhoods. But below all the nightclubs, bars, and restaurants, there's a whole lot of history. I'm Ariel with Urbanist, and let's find them out. But before I do, I'm in front of the Dream Hotel where on November 8th, the StreamGeeks Summit is going to take place right here. And I'm one of the featured speakers. I'm going to talk all about Facebook Live streaming. Thank you so much, StreamGeeks, for supporting this video. If you want to purchase tickets, you can do so by clicking the link in the description below. Now, let's go explore all the secrets of the Meatpacking District. But wait, why do they call it the Meatpacking District? No, it's not some made-up name trying to sound hip. It actually comes back to the history of this neighborhood, where in the late 1800s, this was filled with the meat industry. Meat packers lined up this entire neighborhood. There's even a few of them still surviving to this day, supplying many of the restaurants all around this great city. However, legend has it that back in the 1800s, hidden tunnels were made underground for the cattle to be moved right directly into these meat packers. No one knows if the hidden cow tunnels are still here, but one remnant of the meatpacking industry is the Highline, the elevated railroad built right above the west side of Manhattan. Let's take a look. Before there ever was a Highline, the railroad used to run right in the middle of 11th Avenue. Now you can imagine a huge hunking piece of metal going down the avenue 20 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour, even just 5 miles per hour was still such a huge endeavor that many people got injured or worse, killed. Many people of the neighborhood started calling this avenue Death Avenue, and something had to be done. So the Highline ran from 1934 to 1980, and when it was built, it had to be built through the factories themselves, including the biggest factory in the entire meatpacking district, which is now called the Chelsea Market, but it used to belong to Nabisco. And if you're a fan of Nabisco, especially if you grew up in America eating up all these amazing cookies, one specific cookie was invented right here. But for that, we have to go inside the modern day Chelsea Market. Back in March 14th, 1912, the National Biscuit Company, now known as Nabisco, took 2 chocolate cookies and put cream right in the middle, inventing the world-renowned Oreo. You can even see the original tins right here. The great thing is right here in the Chelsea Market, they have like a mini museum dedicated to the Nabisco factory. Here we see the entire factory in its original form in the early 1900s. And here we have the original Oreo biscuit tins, where you used to buy them for £1 for only 25 cents. If you're going to be having honorary Oreos in the birthplace of the Oreo, might as well accompany it with some great coffee. One of my favorite coffee shops in all of New York City, but I think also the best one in the Chelsea Market area, is 9th Street Espresso. They also sell a really good Americano. So good. 1 month after the Oreo was invented in April 17th, 1912, a ship was supposed to land right here, bringing people across from Europe. However, it never arrived because en route to New York City, it got hit by an iceberg and had one of the most tragic sinkings known to man. That ship, of course, is the Titanic. It was supposed to land right here, and these are the final remnants of the White Star Line grand entrance to its piers. You can visit it all the way at the end of the Meatpacking District, right by the waterfront. While the Highline is built over the city, this is going to be one of the newest parks built over the water. Be sure to visit it when it's open, probably 2021. A great way to end an adventure through the Meatpacking District is with these amazing views of downtown Manhattan along the waterfront. Let me know, what other secrets have you found in the Meatpacking District? And if you are a live streamer or are interested in the business of live streaming, come join us for the StreamGeeks Summit. The link to the tickets are below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Ariel with Urbanist. Keep being awesome and always keep on exploring.